money, possession. I don't need that tribulation. I got like a color calculation. It's funny, say I say
Welcome to Party Slayers with Laput Sisasa 011. It's a Makombo lifestyle. Today we shoot us lali. Even Yonkolo. I'm with my brother. My brother, how are you?
Good, thanks, and how are you, sis?
No, you voice
Oh, it's like Casper.
You voice Casper.
Yes.
In general.
Yes. Hey, that's why I'm here in 011 Lifestyle.
Lifestyle. So, njengoba ulana ne use VIP. Those girls, nama slay queen, nama girls are right. What do you prefer?
Oh, none of them, because I'm here as a visit. I'm a family for the owner of 011.
Yeah.
I'm just here to support.
So when I was
No. I'm married. I'm a family man, yes.
Okay.
With 3 kids.
With 3 kids.
Yes.
What do you think about Slay Queens?
I'm a sleepy because these days with the thing of social media, I saw Uri abantu bemali ori bezinto zephezulu nani nani. That iyo lento ngikhuluma.
Oh, so nje wena mawona Slay Queen ubona ukuthi bafuna imali.
Mangibona Slay Queen ngibona abantu bathanda imali, bathanda izinto ezifancy. And then as Tina, we're already grown up. If you can see, my hair is already gray, which means already I'm on top of 4th floor.
Yeah.
Yes.
Slay Queens athanda imali, guys. La Party Slayers. Shuthi Slayers ne athanda imali. Shuthi nathi ku Party Slayers sithanda imali, but no. Party Slayers, it's all about group culture. It's all about how you slay. Mangabu slaya ku VIP uyaslaya. Mangabu slaya ku general uyaslaya. Mangabu slaya tavern uyaslaya. Guys, kanjalo. Party Slayers.
Now I won't fundise something today.
Yes.
There is different of slay and slay.
Yes. You must just slay in your own way. This is Party Slayers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm your host, Kosha aka Black.